How to fix error code out of memory in Google Chrome, Edge or Brave. The first reason why you might be getting out of memory in Chrome might be because of the amount of tabs that you have opened, and if you encounter the problem, the solution is to close the unnecessary tabs. Now the next option might be because of your cache issue. So go to your browser's settings and click on privacy and security, and under clear browsing data, make sure you clear and delete cookies along with cached images and files and site settings, and clear all data from here. And the next method is to reset your browser. Just under the settings, you can see reset settings and tap on restore settings to their original defaults, and this will help to restore your browser to the original state, and you might be able to fix your problem. Sometimes you encounter out of memory in Chrome or Edge because of the corrupted extensions. So go to extensions bar and you remove the extensions that you haven't been using for a while or that are corrupted from here, and restart your Chrome browser again, and you should be able to fix your problem. Or the next option is to update your browser. Go to About Chrome. Since the Google Chrome is up to date, I do not need to update here, but make sure that you update your browser frequently. And also under the system, make sure that the use hardware acceleration when available is turned off. And after this, relaunch your browser and you should be able to fix your problem. Now the next reason might be because of the temp files that are stored on your computer. Go to run command and type %temp% and delete temporary files from here and relaunch your browser again. Or you can simply go to run command again and type local app data, and from here delete the folder of your browser. So if you're using Edge, you can delete Microsoft Edge from here, or if you're using Brave browser, you can delete Brave from here and restart your browser again, and you should be able to fix your problem. But even after doing all of this, if it is not working, you can simply uninstall your browser and reinstall again. So these are some of the fixes that you can do to fix error code out of memory in your browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.